bird dog exercise. So what you'll do is you'll start in the hands and knees, all four position. You're going to stick the right hand and the left leg out, hold for about a second, and come back. And pretend like you're trying to punch that left leg all the way through a wall. Also, make sure you keep the spine nice and straight. That'll help you activate the core better during this exercise. And keeping that spine straight, we don't want it rounded too far one way, and we also don't want it rounded too far the other way. So we want to find the middle ground between those two. So you want to find the nice even curve. We also don't want to be opening the hips on this one, so make sure you keep the hips nice and level.